How to edit and change what's important in orders on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and now click these 3 points and click edit profile, then scroll down and click beliefs, and then just scroll down, and here we'll find important in orders. Click on it and change it, select anything you want here, and then click this save icon in top corner, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.